Yeah, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isao Kamaldin, and this is the 10th episode, a segment of my YouTube channel where I come to analyze the forex market and give you the guys the potential trading opportunity to be placing. So, what's happening? Let's go into the market and see what's happening in the market. Actually, let's go over to the monthly time frame. You guys know I've been away for some time now. The market is on moving right, so I let the market breathe. So what's happening? Let's recap it. So this is the market rejected from this resistance level in 2022. Yeah, if I'm right. Yeah, in 2021. So the market came down here, broke the support level, and came is currently retesting on it. So if I should use my Fibonacci level from swing low to swing high, if I should use my Fibonacci level from swing low to swing high, you guys can see that the market is currently playing out the Fibonacci level, and the market is here to come and complete the 100% retracement level. So definitely the market is still coming down. And again, one thing about um the market is that when we are talking about the market structure, if there will be a change in trend of the market will probably give a reversal pattern, that is the double bottom or the inverse head and shoulder, and which the market is yet to form. So definitely our the trend is still on. We are still in the bearish trend. So let's kill that's it on the monthly time frame. Let's go over to the weekly time frame and see what's going on the weekly time frame. So what's happening is that since we've actually been in a range in the monthly time frame, but due to some fundamental issues, so the market have there has not been an enough liquidity in the market. So that's why the market is moving like this. But what's happening? Let's see how we can profit off from this range. What I'm actually seeing here is the right shoulder, the head, and this is the left shoulder, and the market is coming to the neckline to support it. If at all the this head and shoulder is not going to break, it will at least come to the neckline to confirm to us if at all it is going to break it or not. So that's it on the weekly time frame. So since the monthly has confirmed to us that the market is bearish, the same thing with the weekly time frame, and also we also found a pattern. Yeah, you guys, what actually happened was that there was, the overall trend of the market is bearish from the monthly time frame, from the higher time frame. So, but if we should come to the weekly time frame, there is an immediate trend of all the overall trend on the weekly time frame. So that is this is the the um the bearish immediate trend, which is about to over now because we found a reversal pattern on it. This is the right shoulder head and the left shoulder. So if at all the market is going to do anything, if it is going to hold or not, it will at least come to the neckline to test the neckline and confirm to us maybe it is going to hold or not. So definitely our next target for Euro USD will be 1.0500. So, and we have about the market is currently at 1.06900. We should just say 1.0700, which we have about 200 pips. So how can we profit from these 200 pips? So let's go over to the daily time frame and see what's going on the daily time frame. So this is how it is on the daily time frame. So you guys know I like to use this counter trend line um um the counter trend line to vary a lot because it signifies to me and tell me when a trend is over. So the immediate trend, that like there is always an immediate trend of all the overall trend. So if you should come to the daily time frame too, there is the left shoulder is a bullish trend, but since when the markets broke through this um um counter trend line now, the immediate trend on the daily time frame is over. So we are on our way to this the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern that we saw on the weekly time frame. So and that's it for it. So and if we should use my fib level to check, I like to you guys know this Fibonacci tool is a very, very powerful level. It doesn't work for Forex alone, it works for a lot of things. Like construction companies use it a lot because that's the sequence of how lives moves, and it's a very, very powerful level if you guys know about it. So if I'm going to use my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, you guys you guys can see that the market is currently like the market is here to complete the 100% retracement, which out to our conference that the market is coming to 1.0500. So that's it. We've known that the market is coming to 1.0500. It is very sure for us now, although nothing sure in the market. But from this, we've had enough confluence to decide that the market is coming to 1.0500. So what happened? Actually, I was waiting. I was supposed to enter from here, but I was waiting. You guys know if I would have entered from here, I would have a very ridiculous stop loss. You guys know this is on the daily time frame, which I don't like because the what we want to do is to use smaller stop loss to catch bigger moves in the market. That's what we want. So that's why I didn't enter it. So I wait the market for the market to retest this level, and the market tested it. It forms a double top. The market broke through it, and I didn't enter. So I was waiting for the nice setup I know the market is not just going to move. The market will consolidate. It doesn't move in a straight line. So during that consolidation, I will have um opportunities to enter the market. Let's go over to the 4 hours time frame to see what's clearly happening here. So so this was the double top. This was the double top. So the trend line came from below, you guys can see. So this was the double top. The market broke through it. I was supposed to enter from here, but due to some certain reasons, I just don't feel convenient taking the trade. But what I'm going to do now is that the market is not just going to move, guys. That's it. That's You always find trading opportunities. So what I'm just going to do is that I will use my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high. I can also spot some um supply level, you guys can see. So I can also spot this supply level. So I'll be waiting for the market to come here, and you guys can see this is also a double bottom. If this level show, this will also be a double bottom, which will make the market to come into this supply level here. So we are going to be selling from that supply level. So that's it. We just have to be patient, guys. And then if the market should break through this minor level here, we'll still find there's still a lot of people to the downside. We'll still find more trading opportunities. But what I like is that we should use smaller stop loss to gain bigger moves, bigger in the market. So what I'm just going to do now is to wait. We have to be patient, guys. Guys, if we really want to make money in this forex market, you don't have to be rushing. You don't have any reason to rush. There will always be trading opportunities in the market. So what we are just going to do is just to be patient. But ideally, I will be waiting for the market to come to this supply level here, which there will be and this is to confirm the trend line and the Fibonacci level. Sorry, guys, you guys know that it has been a while, so that's why it is like that. I'm very, very sorry. So to confirm the Fibonacci level, so I will be waiting for the market to come there. So let's go over to the higher time frame. So if the market should come here, then will just be waiting for the candlestick pattern, a bearish candlestick pattern, and we'll join the ride. And if we should look at it, this will be a decent trade for us. because our proximal line, our distant line. So this will be a very very decent trade for us. This will be 3 to 3 to 1 to 3 to 0.5. So if you are risking $10, you'll be making $30. If you are risking $100, you'll be making $300. And if you ask me, that's a very very good risk to reward. And the good thing is that we are not only making 1 to 3 risk to reward from this trade. When the market get there, we will only take a certain percent of our profits. We are not just going to take everything. We are not just going to take every we are just going to take a little, since our overall target is at 1.0500. And then doing this move, we will still be able to find some supply levels, or I don't know the entry strategy that you guys use, but I use supply and demand. I use CTL, counter trend line break. I have a lot of smaller time frame strategies that I can use. So I will just be waiting for it. And if you shall, we'll be able to find another entry opportunities from this zone here. So we'll be making, you guys should be prepared. We'll be making a lot of money from this particular trade if it actually come to this zone here. So you guys should go and fund um your broker, go and fund your trading accounts. We'll be making a lot of money. So that's it on Euro USD. So let's go over AUD USD. So what's happening on AUD USD? Actually, I'm not going to be analyzing from the higher time frame. So or let me just brush through it from the higher time frame. It is more like a similar thing. You guys can see a Fibonacci level that is yet to complete on the monthly time frame. That is yet to complete on the monthly time frame. And if I should on the weekly time frame, if I should use my Fibonacci level from swing low to swing high, you guys can see that the market is still playing in a Fibonacci level, that which is yet to complete. And overall target for AUD/USD is 0.600. So that's it um on AUD/USD weekly time frame. So let's go over to the daily time frame, and I should just give you guys the tips and we'll move to other pairs. So what we just you guys can see that the market is currently holding on to um this support line and this counter trend line. So for us to be interested in AUD/USD, we'll be waiting for this break of this support level and this counter trend line. So when the market is below here, we'll be finding some supply level or any other entry strategy to ride to the downside. So for that's it for AUD/USD. So let's go over GBP/USD. That might be the last pair we'll be analyzing for today. So let's go over to GBP/USD. Actually, GBP/USD and EUR/USD, you guys know that there is a correlation between these two pairs. So it is pretty much the same thing. It is pretty much the same thing. So the markets broke out of a range and it is currently testing inside of the range. And if at all the trend is going to change, it will at least come back to this downside to come and give us a double bottom before the trend will change. So this is a signal that the market is bearish on the monthly time frame, on the higher time frame. The same thing with the with the weekly time frame. If I should use my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, you guys know that the market is currently um should I if at all the market is going to move, this is a major level. The market will come to test it before going upward or going downward. So this is it. Our next level target for GBP/USD will be 1.222200. So let's go over to the daily time frame and see what's going on the daily time frame. But actually, there is something interesting. So the market formed a double top from here. So the market formed a double top, and during this the break of the neckline of the double top, I was trying to find my entry opportunities. You guys can see that I've already drew a counter trend line. I'm waiting for the break of the counter trend line around here, but the market just spiked up. So the market is currently um forming an interesting thing. the market is I'm actually seeing something on an interesting thing on GBP USD. Market is forming like an inverse head and shoulder. If you guys can see, this is the right shoulder, this is the head, and the market might want to come here to complete the left shoulder. But either of it might that might be the case, or that might not be the case. That might be for the market to come here to form to the neckline of this double top. You guys can see that this is also a double top from here to here. But any if it is any of the case, what I'm just going to know is that if the market is going up, it will at least come to this zone here to form the left shoulder. And if the market is coming down, it will at least come to this level here and break it if it is going to be coming down. So we are very, very certain that the market is coming to the 1.250 level. So how can we profit from this? The market have actually broken through my counter trend line. I should have entered from here, but if I should enter from here, I'll be having a very ridiculous stop loss. And you guys know what I like um is to make a lot of pips with smaller stop loss. So if I had entered from there, from the close of the counter trend line, my stop loss would have been up. It would have been about 221 stop loss, which is very, very really cool. That's a lot of stop loss. So we won't be doing that. So what we just have to do is that the market has broken through our counter trend line, and it has broken through our support level, and it is on its way to the downside. So what we are just going to do is to scale down to the 4 hours time frame and look for some potential supply level that we can use to enter the market. So I'll be waiting for the market to come to this supply level. There is a supply level here. There is a supply level here. So I'll be waiting for the market to come to this here, to here, or let me clone it. Let me clone this, guys. So there is a lot of supply level. You guys can see. So I'll be waiting for market to come between the between these between these two. Or let me check. Let me confirm something. So I'll be waiting for the market to come in between the two zone here. And if the market should come in, it will also be like a break of the counter trend line and retest on it. You guys know if it should come here, it will be like the break of the counter trend line and a retest on it, and we are going to ride all the way to the downside. Trust me, guys, it will be a lot of pips. We are ready to make money from the markets. So I will just have to delete these two supply zones because I don't like to have much on my charts. But you guys should know that there is a supply levels there. There are supply levels there. So that's it for GBP Thank you guys for sticking to the very end of this video. It is yours truly, Isao Kamaldin. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on my YouTube videos, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can get to see more of this video when I release it, so you don't get to miss this trade whenever I call the trade. Thank you guys. Bye.